Hello overseas railway pros. Tired of finding champion gear for concrete or steel sleeper lines? Worry no more. Meet the YD-22III from our Chinese railway equipment factory, your game changer. Unlike regular Tampers, this upgraded unit fits all overseas concrete sleeper lines, even steel ones. Daily maintenance, old line upgrades. New railway finishing, it compacts ballast tight, fixes deformation, keeps trains safe. We use new high-quality materials, wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, durable in tough climates, advanced. Hydraulic tech makes it faster, more accurate, save time, cut labor costs. As a seasoned factory, we control every step. Every YD-22III meets international standards. Custom solutions plus quick after sales. Buy with confidence. Europe, Americas, Africa, Southeast Asia, we deliver easily. Choose YD-22III for reliable maintenance. Contact us now for specs and quotes. Let's buy your railways.